It takes 1,000 decisions you never see to build a network from the ground up. We don't sell hardware, so we're not focused on minimizing our costs by choosing the cheapest components. Instead, we invest in good materials, state-of-the-art processes, and finding the best partners. Meter developed this high-quality manufacturing toolset so that we can build anything we want. We want to build products that last. It's important to me as an engineer and a designer to find that fine balance of performance and usability and aesthetics. I would love to say that we get it right on the first try, but the reality is that it takes countless hours of engineering. It's normal to encounter challenges or roadblocks where compromising would be the easy way out. But if you compromise, you can't deliver great hardware. That's all we're trying to do. We build what we actually set out to build.